Hello everyone. Today we are going to prepare a simple trial balance using Tally. Now, if you see on the screen, I have given the question along with the ledger, names and the groups that which will be preparing inside the Tally, and I'm just highlighting the questions for you now. So here the particulars are given: capital rupees 9,000, plant and machinery 14,000, purchases 8,000, sales 12,000, sundry creditors 8,000, bank loan 22,000, rent outstanding 1,000, opening stock 2,000, sales returns 4,000, investments 14,000, debtors and 12,000. So these are the ledgers we are going to create inside the Tally, and here are the groups that is given. Now let's go to the Tally already. So now I'm going to start with creation of a company. So let's create a company, and I'm just going to give the heading as trial balance itself, so it'll be easy for us to follow. So I'm just going to click which is the state and give all the particulars that is needed. And I'm going to start with, since it's 2023, so I'm going to start with 1/4/2023 and just give as for everything else and accept. Now our company is being created. It's not necessary every time you have to create a company. If there is a company that is already created, you can just add the balances in your ledgers. Since it's a new sum, so I'm just creating it early. Okay, so then I'm just going to go to the accounts info and ledgers. Here I'm going to create multiple ledgers since we have all the items directly. So I'm just going to create the multiple ledgers. So if you see, we already have our question. So I'm just going to enter each and every particulars along with your ledger groups and names and along with the amount also. So first one is capital. Again, it will come under the capital account, and the balance given in the sum is 9,000. And the next one is plant and machinery. Here it will come under the fixed asset, and the balance given is 14,000. The next item will be purchases. Again, it will come under the purchase accounts, and the balance given is 8,000. The next will be sales. Again, it goes under the sales account, and the balance given is 12,000. The next one is sundry creditors. Again, if you just click SUN, you'll get your sundry creditors, and the balance given is 8,000. So it's very simple. You have to just give your balance. Here I'm not giving any kind of names. Just click enter. That's enough. Next is bank loan. Now, this bank loan will come under something called loan. If you just see, it will come under liabilities in the liability section. So you have to click the loans in the bracket will be liabilities. So I'm just giving the amount as 22,000, which is already given in the sum if you refer to it. Then next one is rent outstanding. So rent outstanding is an indirect income that will be receiving later. So here I'm just going to click indirect income, and the amount given is 1,000. The next one will be opening stock, and it will come under stock in hand. So opening stock is 2,000 again. Next one is sales returns. Here it will come under the sales, but here we have to make a small change. Okay, if you see the sales, the fourth one, it is actually given credited. The sales is already always credited into our company. But since the sales are getting back to us, it's being written to us, instead of the default credit, you make sure that you just give an enter and type debit here. So when you're doing the sum, it will automatically get debited from the sales account. So it's very necessary in this step. Any kind of sales or purchases, in case of its purchases, it will be given as debited, right? DR. So here, when you are writing, when you're typing the purchase returns, you have to change it to credit side. Okay. So next is investments. Investments will also come under the fixed assets. The amount is 14,000. And the last item is debtors. Debtors will come under the sundry debtors. The amount will be 12,000. So if you just see on the screen, you are literally getting, okay, I'm sorry. So if you just see on the screen, you are literally getting all the items that we have typed. So now there's no more items to enter, no more balances to enter. So I'm just going to give enter. Just the data statement it is asking, just yes, that's all. Now, creation of a trial balance is pretty simple in Tally. So once you have entered all the balances for the ledgers, you can just go back to this gateway of Tally. Now, if you see here, you have something called display. If you go for the display, see the first thing you are seeing is the trial balance. So just clicking the trial balance, and if you see your trial balance is tallied. If you see the amount, both the sides it's showing 52,000. And if you want to see what are the items that is actually under all these heads, you can just click on Alt plus F1, or if you see the right side here, it's condensed or detail. Both the options are given, and if you see, you can literally see, I told you, right? So this sales minus sales written. So the sales returns minus sales is 4,000. The balance is only 8,000 is given. So all the items you can actually see it. So this will be your trail balance under Tally. Thank you so much for listening.